Hello student, Ikra Primary English Medium School, Un Surat branch, Standard 5th subject Environmental Studies, chapter number 4, name Mangoes Around the Ears. Teacher name Samrin Sir Ali. Let's get started. Lesson number 4, Mangoes Round the Ears. So today we will study mangoes round the ears. We will start first a small story that is a conversation between three friends, Neetu, Aman and Preeti. So over here, when these children open their lunch box, they discuss about their food. So Neetu said to Aman, "Wow, Aman's lunchbox has sweet puris." Then Aman said, "Hey, today Neetu has brought potato sabzi." And then Preeti standing over there and said, "I have got bhindi." After that, they all see at Neetu's lunch and Aman says, "Oh Neetu, I think your potato sabzi is spoiled." And then Preeti said, "Don't eat that, you may fall sick. Here you take some bhindi." So firstly children, we should know what is food spoil. When bacteria, fungus build up in a food, then food got spoiled, and we should not eat spoiled food, otherwise we will fall sick. How you will come to know that food has got spoiled? When the food get spoiled, the food will smell bad, color of food also change, and the texture of food get changed. When you will touch a spoiled food, you will feel a little stickiness, and you can see a thread like a structure that is grown over the food. So now BG returned the bread. Aman BG went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. The shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and gave it to BG. She looked at it and returned it immediately. So do you know why BG returned the packet of bread? So BG returned the packet because she saw the fungus created inside the packet. Maybe it had expired. BG found out that the bread had got spoiled by seeing the black spot in it. So Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu, they used to live in Atriyapuram. It's a name of a town which is in Andhra Pradesh. Both the brother spend the summer's holidays like playing in the mango garden. When the trees are full of fruits, they also like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. So at home their mother cook unripe mango in different way. She also make many kind of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. One evening while having food, Chinna Babu asked, "Amma, we have so many mangoes, make some mamidi tandra." Means aam papad from them. So their father said, "Making mamidi tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can together make the mamidi tandra." Both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market with their father. The next day, both the children went to the market with their father. Then both a mat woven from the leaf of a plum tree, pollen of casuarina tree, strain made of coconut husk, some jaggery and sugar. So Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. The next day, Appa chose the most ripe mango. They took out of the mango pulp into a large pot. So, do you know why Appa first chose the most ripe mango? Because the ripe mangoes contain more juice with less fiber. Then they filter through a muslin cloth. Muslin cloth is a fine cloth to remove all the fiber. Later they pour a thin layer of juice on the mat by spreading it all over and let it to dry. It was later covered with a sari to prevent it from dust. So every day they kept on adding layer to it. After 4 weeks, a thick layer of golden cake of mamadi tandra was prepared. The next day, the mat was brought down on the platform. Mamidi Tandra was cut into a smaller pieces. The brothers tasted it and it was tasty. Chinna Babu said, "Wow, how tasty, after all we have also helped it to making it." So food preservation is a process by which we can use to prepare food, save and long term storage, and you can eat that food in future. So children, after listening this story, you must have understood two methods of food preservation. First was drying and second was sugaring. Thank you.